Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check for hidden messages in the Messenger app, specifically the ones that are archived. Let's get started. So first, I open the Facebook app on my phone. At the top right corner, I tap on the Messenger icon. That's how I open my messages. Once Messenger opens, I go to the top of the screen and tap on the settings icon. From there, I scroll down a little until I find the option that says Archive Chats. I tap on it, and just like that, I can see all the chats that were hidden or removed from main inbox. These messages are not deleted, just moved to the archive. Sometimes you might archive a chat by mistake, or maybe just to clean up your inbox. So if you're ever looking for a chat that disappeared, this is where to find it. And that's it. Very simple. Just open Facebook, tap Messenger, go to Settings, and then check Archive Chats. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.